You asked, how to divide 9068 by 4 using the long division method. 9 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. Bring down 0, making 10. 10 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 10 minus 8 equals 2. Bring down 6, making 26. 26 divided by 4 equals 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. 26 minus 24 equals 2. Bring down 8, making 28. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. 7 times 4 equals 28. 28 minus 28 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 2267.